I've started working on the shovel, and I decided to go with the Waverly, I think it's Elephant. Yes, Elephant color. It's a gray, and I've given it one coat, and I put it on the handle and the spade part. And I think with the handle itself, I'm going to use the Waverly Truffle color. So I'm going to let this dry, both sides of that dry, and give it the second coat, and then I'll let that dry and put the chocolate truffle, or the truffle color, on the handle. Okay, I have the base color all painted on it. This is the gray, this was the truffle, and then the gray on this. And now I'm trying to do something with the, oh, I got my paintbrush in the gray. Anyways, I'm trying to do something with the handle now. I don't know if you can tell, my lighting in here is just no good, but I'm just giving it a light streaking. With the black. Ooh, I don't want to go that way. I don't even think y'all can see what I'm doing. My lighting is so bad in here. I wonder if I pointed it towards the... No, I just don't know what to do with my lighting. Let me see. Hang on, guys. I'm going to get my ring light and see if that helps. Okay, we'll try that. It's the best I can do. As you can see, I'm just kind of wiping a lot of it off. Not going to take a lot. Wonder if I should do some white in it like that too. Okay, I don't know if y'all can tell what it's doing, but that's what it's looking like. Need some right in there. Oh, not that much, not like that. That's all right, it makes it just look old. Anyways, that's what the texture or the way it's gonna look. I just don't like the way it stops right there, but I don't know how to get it to stop. I have to go up on the handle. That's all right, because I'm going to do something with it. Okay. Now, I'm going to work on this. And let me get my stuff ready and I'll be back. All right, now I'm going to give it do the cinnamon to make it look rusty. Because you know, you have a old garden shovel, it's rusty. Am I in frame? I sure hope I am. I should have poured some of this out in a cup. I'm going to give it just a light coating like that. Okay, now I will get my cinnamon. Trying to stay in frame. All right, stand it up, tap it off. And there it is. I think that looks good. I still have some of the gray coming through, like an O shovel handle. Let me see, make sure I'm in frame here again. And that's what it looks like. I'm not going to do the back side. I got some right there. Might as well dip it in it. And now I'm going to do some on the handle too. I need to fill my bottle back up. Yeah. Alright, I did, remember I said I thought it needed some white mixed in with it? And I did mix some white in. Streaked it in there with a chippy brush. And in person, it really, it looks like old wood that's set out and weathered. I wanted to come back and show you I added the white in on it. Okay, for this sign, this little sign, I'm just going to go over to my library, and I've already found something I wanted, and it's this here. And I don't want that on there, so I'm going to right click and I'm going to delete it. Well, I'm going to have to select them. Okay, delete. Now, this I'm going to group so they all stay together. And my sign, I'm going to make my sign the size. It is, okay, wide is 7.75 inner, and then the height I believe is 3 inches. Yes, 3 inches. 3-point inner, and that's the sign. Now I'm going to have to take this and resize it. Bring it up into that. I'm just going to pull that over just a little. Okay, then I'm going to select that and the box, and I'm going to go over here to my transform panel, and I'm going to hit the middle one on the horizontal, and I'm going to center it. And then I'm going to come over here and right click, and I'm going to group it so I can move it all together. And I'll probably put it right over here. Now I'm going to send it to my Cameo. It is ready, okay. And I'm going to make sure it's on matte vinyl matte. Now I'm going to send it to my Cameo and just cut it out and put it on my little board. Okay, I have the shovel finished, and I did spray on this Krylon matte finish. I can't tell where I'm at, but I sprayed this on there so it wouldn't scratch or anything. and I went on my Cameo and made this little sign, and I've put some wire on it and just took some burlap ribbon, made a bow and some raffia and then some little stems, and I did the twine around that to group it together. And now I need to figure out where I'm going to put this, because I am going to wire that sign on. And I think about like that. So I'm going to cut me a piece of wire. Like I said, I don't know if I'm in frame. I'm always saying that. I'm going to put that in the center right there. Where's my needle nose? All I could find was my small needle nose that goes with jewelry. Couldn't find my regular needle nose, of course. Okay. Get that on there as tight as I can. Down where it's not sharp. Scratch somebody. Okay. And I am going to put some hot glue on that just to kind of hold it into place. And then I'll use that to put my bow on. Oh boy, my sign's not showing too well. Kind of stretch that down some. There. Now I have to put it this way, make sure it's centered. Gonna hold it there for a little bit, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like in a bit with a better view.